नमस्कार बच्चों, back with you all today with the same chapter of production function. But the concept is what? Different today. Again I am saying, but the concept is what? Different today. जी हाँ, today I have come with a new topic for you all, that is what is the relationship between the MP called as marginal product and AP called as average product. You can see at the top relation between the MP and AP. Students, in the exam what happened? Sometimes you are getting the numerical sums, and what we people are doing, we prepare the table in a manner where the question becomes very complicated and you think in your mind what questions are coming. Anyhow, I am going to provide you a simple technique where you can become the writer, number one, where you can become the teacher, and at the same time you can also become what? Student, जो कि already आप है. Question आता है, how we can frame the table. Let's come back. You can see on the back side of me 1 2 3 4 columns already I have drawn. Take the notebook, draw 1 2 3 4 चार column draw करिए and don't take tension. I will let you know what you have to write in these 4 columns. In the very first column you write here L means what? Labor. Okay, you just write 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Total you take 1 2 3 4 5 6 as what? Labor. Number 1 column. Second column. In the second column what you have to do? You have to write there TP, that's called as total product, equals to AP multiplied by L oblique summation of MP. Now you will have a doubt here, sir, I have written 2 formula, how we are going to use and in what manner we are going to use. Very simple. TP is equals to what? AP into L. A means average product multiplied by what? L already on the first column. Oblique deke you have to write summation of MP. Got it? So whenever you get the MP, then you have to find the TP with the help of the MP also. So that's the table, that's the column number 2 formula. After that you can see on the third column you write and find out MP called as marginal product equals to, remember the formula, delta TP. Students, in economics we say delta as what? Change in total product upon delta L called as change in the labor. And the last column you are asked to find out AP, okay, called as average product equals to what? TP, that is called total product upon L. मजा आएगा, समझिए, दिमाग लगाइए, how to calculate the sum. In the first column already I have taken labor 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. In second column what values I have to take? But before that you must remember, in MP at least one value will come as 0 every time. 100% guarantee दे रहा हूं, every time you will get one value as 0. Now question is how we actually get the value of 0. In the column, second column, what we will do? You have to take 2 same value. Okay, you have to repeat the 2 same value. I am just showing you with the help of an example. Suppose I am taking here 50, next 90, next 120, next 140 and 140. Why I am repeating 140, 140? So you get the value of 0. After that, 136. You will have a doubt, sir, why we are going at the back? 140 के नीचे क्यों आ रहा है? So that you can get one value here as negative also. Got it? MP equals to what? Delta TP upon delta L. First one, you can see 1. That means on the day 1, you have appointed only one labor who is able to produce 50 output. Before 50 कुछ नहीं है, dash मान लो. There is nothing there, don't worry, you take a dash. If you say sir 0 मान ले, कोई बात नहीं. 50 minus 0, same, what is the result? 5050. So that's the first value, 50. Second, on the day 2, what you are doing? You are appointing 2 labor. On the one, that is first day, you are appointing 1 labor. So if I ask you 2 minus 1, what is the change in the labor? 1 unit of labor. When you are adding 1 more unit of labor, what is the change in the total product? 50 and 90. 90 minus 50, how much? Simply 40. On third day, again the same concept. 3 minus 2, one more labor you are adding on the third day. What is the change in the TP? 120 minus how much? 9090. That becomes how much? 3030. Again the same concept. Fourth day, you are adding how many 4 labor? पहले कितना था? 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Again what is happening? You are adding again one more unit of labor. If you are adding one more unit of labor, what is the change in the TP? 140 minus 120. How much? 2020. Again 5 minus 4, 1. One more labor. Again we are adding 140 minus 140. देखिए आ गया 0. मजा आया ना? I already told you, you have to get a value of 0. You will get automatically value of 0. This way, how we prepared the table. For whom? For you, the students. Again, 6 labor. Previously 5. 6 minus 5. Again, one more unit of labor. We are adding. So, if we are adding one more unit of labor, again, what is the impact on the TP? 136 and 140. अब आप देखिए what is happening here? Minus 4. You are getting the negative value. Okay. But anyhow, I am going to teach you the relation between what? MP and AP. Next, AP, what's the formula there? You can see AP is equals to what? TP upon L. TP ko you have to divide by L. So what's the first value of TP? You can see 5050. What's the first value of labor? You can see 1. If you divide 50 by 1, you're going to get what? Very simple calculation. I think 50. Second, 90. If you divide 90 by L, देखिए TP that is called 90 L 2 90 upon 2. Come back. How much? 45. Again 120 divided by 3. 40. Again 140 divided by 4. How much? 35. And last again 140 divided by what? L. What's the labor here? 5. Again divide it. At the last 136. This is the value what? TP. And what's the value of L here? 6. 136 you divide by what? 6. I think you can get a almost 22.6. Approximately you will get a value of almost 22.6 in decimal. चलता है 19-20 चलता है. कई बार नंबर नहीं मिलता है ना आपको एग्जाम में, तो आप हमको ही बोलते हो सर चलता है कोई बात नहीं, कम दे दीजिए बेसी दीजिए कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. द सेम कंसेप्ट अप्लाइड. ओके, एनी हाउ यू कैन डू द कैलकुलेशन बाय योरसेल्फ विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कैलकुलेटर ऑल्सो. ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक यू आर मोर जीनियस नाउअडेज. Students are almost what? More genius nowadays. I agree with you all. Now come back again with the topic. You have to find what? The relation between the two things that's called as MP and AP. First value of MP, just see. 50. 50. Almost you have to lock in your mind. MP means marginal. Marginal always increases more. Number one, marginal means additional, and additional always decreases more. Again I am saying marginal means additional. Additional always increases more. Marginal means what? Additional. Additional always decreases more. Second, just see 40. After 50, what is happening on the MP? MP is falling. 40, 30, 20. अरे बाबा रे, 0 भी आ गया. अरे मजा. 40, 30, 20. MP is falling here. Just see. Impact on the what? AP. 45, 40, 35, 28. अरे वाह. Both are falling. But students, look at the comparison carefully. When this value is how much? 40. This is how much? 45. Value is greater. किसका greater? Of AP. This is 30. This is what? 40. Again just see. When this is 30, this is 40. When this is 20, this is 35. It means what? When MP falls, AP also falls. But AP is greater than MP. Lock in your mind. But AP is greater than MP. Okay? That's the relation number 2. Third, MP you can see can be 0. MP can be negative. But AP always remains positive. Be sure 100% MP can be either 0 or MP can be negative, but AP always remains positive. Okay, so 3 relation you can see from the table. But now I am going to teach you two more relation with the help of a diagram. Watch it carefully. This diagram will help you to understand the relation between the MP number 1 and AP number 2 more carefully. Okay? Just watch the diagram which I am going to draw for whom? For my students. Okay? Watch it carefully. This diagram becomes complicated for the student. और डर जाते हैं, अरे बाप रे कहाँ से diagram, how to draw? Very simple. Just take the scale. I am having the marker. You take the pencil. Enjoy it. I will also enjoy like you. Take the straight line and the straight line. Line 19-20 हो जाए तो घबराना भी मत, ना मुझे टेंशन देना. I don't have the skill like you. Okay? Here you draw the arrow. Here you draw one arrow. Put here X. Here you put L. And here you put down. That is called as TPL. You take here T, P, and just here L. Okay? TPL. After that, straight away just below it, draw one more line like this. And from here, just draw one more line like this and put the arrow same line. Again take here X, O, okay, and here you take M, P, L, comma. Here you take below it A, P, L. I think till now you are comfortable. कोई बात नहीं. Come back. From here you draw a straight line. And at the top you take a point here. I am not running, waiting for you all. Draw a straight line. And at the top you put a small dot. From here you join this straight line with a dot and straight away put here TP. Okay? ठीक इसके सिर के ऊपर draw a horizontal line and here again I put a small dot for your benefit. From here again, just see what you will do. You put a dot number 1 here. Again I am repeating, dot number 1 here. This is dot number 2 here, and this becomes the dot number 3 here. So 3 dots are there. 1, 2, 3. From the first dot, you draw a vertical line till here, and right there L1. ठीक है? Next, from the second dot, again you draw a vertical line. This becomes L2. I think till now you are comfortable. I am more comfortable than you because I am enjoying like you. Come back at the top. From the third dot, you draw one more line, vertical line, and right there L3. Okay? At this point, you put a dot and right there MP equals to 0. I think in the third column I have already told you MP is equals to 0. This is the one. Okay? This is the area where MP is equals to what? 0. Now again come back. Again there are 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Here on the first line you put a small dot. Second line again you put a small dot. Again on the third line here you put a small dot. And you join all the 3 dots from here. Again just see. Okay? This is coming down. You write here MP equals to negative. Okay? Just इसके नीचे आपको लिखना है MP equals to negative. अगर if you are not able to see, I am writing here. Don't worry, I am having enough space. Write here MP negative just below L3. Don't worry. Okay? MP what? Negative. Got? Next. From here again you do one thing. This is the second point. Okay? From here you join it again. So this comes here. Again I am repeating. Just above one, this is the upper one. Okay? This is the upper one. Okay? This is called MP. This is the one MP. And just this is the one below the MP. This is called AP. Now question is what? Explain the relation between the MP and what? AP. So with the help of the table, already I have explained you what? Three relationship. I told you I am going to draw a diagram where I am going to explain two more relationships. Again, the same relation what I have explained with the help of the table, the same relation again you can learn with the help of the magical diagram. Magical क्यों नहीं बोलेंगे भाई? इससे तो मैं 5 रिलेशन दोबारा करके दिखाऊंगा. आइए कैसे होता है देखिए. Number 1, this is MP. When MP is increasing, देखो AP is also increasing. ऊपर कौन सा है? MP. So we can write there MP greater than what? AP. So first relation, when MP increase, AP also increase, but MP is greater than AP. Second relation, you can see here, you can see MP is falling. Here you can see AP is also falling. MP गिर रहा है, AP भी गिर रहा है, लेकिन देखो AP ऊपर है, तो कह सकते हैं AP is greater than MP. So second relation is what? Here you can see this is AP greater than what? MP. Number 2. Third, here you can see, here also you can write, this is called point. MP here is what? 0. आप यहाँ देखिए, MP equals to 0, just straight away go at the top. You can see MP equals to 0. You can write MP equals to 0 here also, or if you want to write here, MP equals to 0 here also. That means MP is 0, and after 0, when it is coming down, MP is coming down, it becomes what? Negative. So what was the relation number 3 with the help of the table? MP can be 0 or negative also. But AP always remains positive. 3 relation already I taught you with the help of table and the diagram. Again, 4th relation. देखो, what is the shape of this one? If I ask you, बोलो, what is the shape? Your answer is sir, U है. Simple. Why you are asking simple question? U है. Okay, very good. What is this shape? अरे बाप रे, ये क्या है? ये भी तो U है. U को U घुमा दिया, है ना? मजा आ गया. चलो. This is called inverse U shape curve. Inverse U shape curve. So can we say MP? Can we say AP? Both MP and AP are what? Inverse U shape curve. That's the relation number 4. And last, this is my left hand and this is my what? Right hand. This is my left hand, called it as MP. This is my right hand, called as what? AP. Just see. And just see. MP यहाँ पे left side में. Again coming here, my left hand. Left hand. That means what? MP is always on the left side of AP. MP is always on the what side of AP? Left side. Except in one condition. Except when? When AP is equals to MP. Okay? Except when AP equals to what? MP. Now students, before explaining the relationship between the MP and AP, just highlight the table once again. Again, in the table number, you can see here, first column, labor is given there. What is the labor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, again you can see in the second column, TP is given there. Just highlight the formula. AP into L oblique summation of what? MP. Again, look at the value, the same value which I have written on the blackboard. Look at the values, 50, 90, 120, 120. Okay, I have not repeated 120. I have not repeated 120. 120 and then 140 and then again I have repeated 140. After that, last value is 136. Third column you can see MP. Okay, what's the formula? Equals to what? Delta TP upon delta L. Look at the value, 50, 40, 30, 20, 0 and at the last minus 4. And at the fourth column you can see AP. Look at the formula. AP is equals to what? TP upon L. So what are the values? 50, 45, 40, 35, 28 at the last 22.6. Okay. Now look at the relationship. Again I am repeating. Now enjoy the relationship. First you have learned with the help of the table called schedule. The same table I have drawn on the next platform. That means after the table, what have I done? I have drawn and I have explained with the help of the diagram. So now combine both the schedule as well as the diagram and look at all the 5 relationship between the what? MP and AP. First relation, when MP increases, then AP also increases. But MP increases more than AP. Already I have told you. Second, when MP falls, then AP is greater than MP. Third relation, MP can be 0 or negative. MP can be 0 or negative but always remains positive. What remains positive? But AP always remains positive. Fourth relation, both MP and AP are what? Are U-shaped curve. And the last one, MP is always on which side? On the left side of AP except when AP is equals to MP. Hope you must have enjoyed the topic. Thanks to all of you.